and welcome. In this video I'm just testing out a new setup for my GoPro Hero 8. I've now got the media mod attached to it, and I've got the Rode lapel microphone inside my helmet, and the camera is now strapped to the front, the chin part of my helmet. Hopefully this is working. I won't find out till I get back. Let's see how it goes. Just chucking out time at the school here. No idea how well this is going to work until I get home and check the video. Maybe there's a lot of wind noise, maybe there isn't. Maybe you can hear the engine nicely, or maybe not. The only thing is, with this camera strapped on, is it can't quite shut the visor correctly, but it seems to stay put, so it's not a major issue. If the camera is at the right angle, it might be pointing down too much. Go down here. Thank you. I think at this point I'll sign off. Should have discovered whether this is working or not by now, so see you later.